This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus versus the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now the S22 Plus has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 8 gigs of RAM on Android 12 and its latest version of One UI 4.1. iPhone 13 Pro Max has the A15 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 15.3. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus versus iPhone 13 Pro Max speed test comparison. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Oh, looks like the iPhone here is already into the phone, as you can see. Wow, that was super fast. We'll go ahead and let the S22 Plus do its thing. Come on, S22, you can do it. Come on, baby. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, let's go. Samsung Galaxy. Here we go. Swipe to open, which is what I'm gonna do. And it's gonna do its thing right there. Just gonna go ahead and swipe over. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get right into the test. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the S22 Plus. No recently used apps, and I'm gonna do this on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And as you can see, there's nothing in the background on either phone. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, very close. I think that was the iPhone. Messages. Very close again. Let me know in the comments below which one you thought was faster. The camera. Let's go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. Whoops. Almost slipped out of my hands. And let's go. A little bit faster on the, turn that off, iPhone. Fire up the clock app on both phones. Ooh, very close. You guys are the judges. Go ahead and start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Very close again. Again, you guys are the judges. Let me know in the comments. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, very close. I think that was the S22 Plus. Just gonna go ahead and click on a random app here. Click on a random app. We'll go ahead and just leave it on that page. Amazon. Ooh, very close. I think that was the S22 Plus. But again, let me know in the comments. I could be wrong. Go ahead and click on this. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Here we go. We'll leave it on that page. eBay. Let's see. Ooh, faster on the S22. Let's see. Go ahead and click on this watch. We'll click on this one. There we go. Very close. We'll leave it on that page. Super Mario Run. Let's see, loading on both phones and a little bit faster on the 13 Pro Max. Tap to begin and faster again on the 13 Pro Max. I gotta say though, I don't know if you can tell on camera, in person, the display on the S22 Plus, super crisp, super saturated in comparison to iPhone 13, not as much, but let's go on the Subway Surf. Yeah, even this blue right here, much more, or here, the pink on the S22 Plus, much more saturation. This one a little bit faster on the iPhone. Tap to play. And then we'll go ahead and fire up the Angry Birds 2. Let's see. Ooh, logging in. Oh, very close. What will happen? Ooh. Oh, will the S22 catch up? Oh! And we'll give the win to the S22 Plus. Come from behind victory. There we go. CSR Racing 2. Fire this game up. Let's see what will happen right here. I'm going to straighten out these phones. All right, here we go. What will happen? Okay. Oh, hearing noise from the iPhone first. Okay, that speaker sounding good. You know, this came off of a freeze test. All right. So that was about the same. Let me know in the comments. And then let's see, what do we got? Modern Combat 5. Okay. Oh, iPhone super fast, but S22 is right there. Here goes some extracting files on the S22. All right, take this one with a grain of salt. You know, the sequences are a little bit different on either phone, but overall, pretty fast. PUBG, of course, let's go. Ooh, iPhone is super quick on this. Oh, way out in front. Oh, it's already loading. Well, the S22 will catch up. Nope. We'll give the win to the 13 Pro Max on this one. Yeah, the S22, yeah, it's still kind of loading its thing. Yeah, go ahead and press that. Go ahead and get out of this. Twitter. Super fast on the iPhone. Instagram. Draw. Snapchat. Super fast on the S22 Plus. We do have Chrome and Safari. Let's go. All right, we'll go ahead and do Google search here. Let's see, what are we gonna do a search for? Not sure. Let's go ahead and just do a search for, I don't know, phone case. We're making a video about phones, speed test on 2 phones, so we'll do a search for phone cases. I don't know, just what came up in my mind for some reason. Images, and then let's see here. Let's see, we'll click on this one. That's a pretty cool looking iPhone case. And then let's see, we'll click on this one. Nice and fast. This one, nice and fast. This one, nice and fast. This one, nice and quick. We'll go ahead and do the pinch to zoom, which you can do so very easily on the iPhone. On the S22 Plus, oh yeah, with the 120 display, that is just super smooth. You can't tell on camera or in this video because of the, you know, it's not, you can't see the 120, but in person, yeah, that is butter. We'll go ahead and do this a few more times. Nice and fast. Let's see. And then the scroll, whoops. And then the scrolling, yeah, the web browsing is a pretty good experience on both. But yeah, in general, web browsing, not a problem on either phone. All right, let's go ahead and check out the multitasking or the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, as you can see. We'll run through these apps again and we'll have a look. We'll document any stutters or any slowdowns, or if there's none, then there's none, which is what I want to see. Okay, buttery smooth so far. This one, good to go. The speaker sounds kind of messed up. Came off a freeze test from earlier, you know, today. So I think the phone will recover though. The iPhone, that is. There you go. And then Angry Birds. Ooh, we have a reload here on the S22 Plus. Okay. Now remember, iPhone that just has 6 gigs of RAM. This one has 8, so still more RAM on the S22 Plus, but we do have a reload. So take note of that on the S22 Subway Surfers. This one kept it in RAM, and you can play. So that's good. Mario Run. This one kept it in RAM. Not bad. eBay. A little bit faster on the right. Amazon. Again, a little bit faster on the actual wave. This is a reload. Yeah, I didn't keep it on that page. Wow. Yeah, see, that's why I go one step into the app to see if it'll keep it there. And this one, it was a reload. This one, iPhone kept it there. Amazon, or excuse me, Play Store. No. App Store, Play Store. What's happening to me? That's good to go. Calculator, a little bit faster here on the right. Clock. Still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this reload on any phone, no matter how much RAM it has. So I'm still waiting for the day that actually happens. The camera, a little bit faster on the iPhone. Messages. That was close. I think that was the iPhone a little bit quicker. And finally, the phone app. Tiny bit faster on the iPhone. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Samsung Knights, are you rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus? Do you have the S22 Ultra, now with an S Pen? Do you have the smaller S22? Are you rocking a Note 20 from last year, the S21 series of phones? Or are you an Apple iSheet, rocking your iPhone 13 Pro Max? Do you have the iPhone 13 Pro, the iPhone 13, or perhaps an iPhone 12 or older device? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.